Welcome back. Well, a warm one out there this afternoon. Temperatures topping out right around the 83-degree mark. That's about 9 degrees above normal. 53 the morning start. That's right where we should be this time of year. But tonight, milder temperatures. And that's the way it goes much of the week until we see a change come Friday and maybe an extended change in the upper pattern that looks a little bit more like El Nino. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery, and we're under the domination of a ridge of high pressure that's sitting over the Gulf of Mexico, allowing for the mild weather. Jet stream, subtropical jet stream action still well to the north of us, and that's where all the cold air is bottled up, mainly across Canada. But here's a little bit more of a subtropical jet that we have going on, and that has been casting high clouds toward our area, and that's going to continue on and off through the days ahead. And get used to it. This will be the winter of cloudy skies for sure when that El Nino pattern kicks in. When does that kick in? Will it sustain itself? We can't tell you that, but we do know we have a change coming Friday, and it may last into a good part of next week. Meanwhile, we can see the high-level cirrus clouds across the area, casting mostly cloudy skies. High-pressure ridge at the surface just to the south of Gulfport, Mississippi, and that high-pressure ridge will gradually shift off to the east. We'll look at the extended HRM model here. Again, temperatures lower 60s, and then tomorrow getting into the low to mid 80s. And this is what we're going to see as we get toward the end of the week. Here's toward Friday, a frontal boundary getting in the region. Subtropical jet stream stays intact, so you see the cloud cover and occasional showers in the mix through this weekend. It doesn't look like a washout, but there could be more action going into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week. So that's a big change, and both the Euro and the GFS kind of agree on the pattern overall. Here's the rainfall total through the next 10 days. Granted, most of this comes in days 7 to 10, so we're still in fantasy land, but this is a good-looking accumulation of rainfall over the next 10 days. And then we pull in the GFS model showing similar conditions with the bulk of the rains coming in Wednesday, Thursday into Friday, and a big change from what we saw earlier today. Now it's pushing all the heavy rainfall offshore, but we do think it's going to shift to a wetter pattern. Could be several inches, could be a half-inch of rain, but we'll get some rain down the line for sure. Near term, the issue could be some patchy fog. Right now, the model's indicating best chance of some thick fog would be northern portions of Acadiana into central Louisiana. And then we could do it all over again tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. We're going to include patchy light fog in the forecast as we move forward. Temperature-wise, overnight tonight, we're still looking at readings in the 50s for northern portions of Acadiana, between 56 and 60, pretty much in the northern parishes. Best chance of patchy fog will be Oakdale, Alexandria, these spots, and you know the fog favored spots across central Louisiana. Lower 60s, the I-10 corridor, so that is a bit of a change, especially with the cloud cover sticking around at this time. That's going to keep our temperatures elevated through this evening, and lower 60s down along the coast. Then tomorrow, back into the mid 80s, 85 to 86. Mind you, records this time of year, upper 80s to near 90s, so just about as warm as it gets for the northern portions of the area. 83 is what we'll go with in Lafayette, and low to mid 80s along the coast as well. Right near the water, though, a little bit cooler as water temperatures now in the 70s by the coast. So not as cool, fair skies with some patchy fog developing late. That's when the skies fair out for sure. And then tomorrow morning we start out with a little bit of that light fog, but then we go to another nice warm one. We'll say a sun and high cloud mix. Humidity inching upward as well. It's going to be a little bit higher, and the model's liking to bring in some more cumulus clouds as we head into tomorrow evening. Sun and clouds over the next couple of days. We head into Thursday, more cloud cover, and here comes that frontal trough. 40–50% on your rain chances, then unsettled pattern as we head into the weekend and beyond, but at least we have some rain chances, so we'll call it cooler, cloudy, and an unsettled pattern, and that might be the MO of the winter once El Nino kicks in and we see that subtropical jet stream more persistent. But count on plenty of clouds, so enjoy whatever sun we see in the days ahead. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.